it spit. Like that one just like...
Just fucking dicked, boys. Ah, holy suffering.
You know, I think we're fucking dicks. Look at how rusty that shit is.
We're fucking dicked, boys.
Look at how crystal clear that lobe is, but...
It's Kijiji. You guys did really well while I watched. So
You know, we gave her hell, but even sprayed the fucking oils in there, huh?
what can you do?
Got the WD-40 in there and didn't even do anything.
The rain's coming down.
Fucking hell, boys.
Oh, Sean, please don't do that. Please.
Yeah,
Sean,
I'm gonna
Sean's one second away from his head.
get behind Mariah on that one.
No, I didn't see anything that was like...
Yeah, did you see anything?
Once
I
again.
didn't see any roast that was billowing
Remember how
upon...
Anton Yelnick died? Yeah, that's how you would.
Who? Anton Yelnick?
Looks like we got a story.
The guy, the actor.
Stanley Yelnats?
From Star Trek.
No.
Ran over by his own car.
Oh.
Really?
He put it. He did it in neutral.
Oh shit.
And what, got out?
Got out to get the mail.
Oh, no.
Well, what do you think, boys? We can call it a day on this one?
Yeah, that's why I don't get
Quitting
my
time
mail.
for a cheech?
Hey, yes. You did well.
She's dick,
I'm
boys.
always quitting for a little cheech.
I don't think it's gonna happen.
It's a common
today.
theme in my life, so.
I don't think it's gonna happen.
Hell, I don't know if anything's gonna happen from this.
Yeah, let's do it.
Call it quits, boys.
We better call her quits, boys. That's it. She's dickered.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. All
We
right.
got back safe. Let me know how it goes tomorrow. You gonna just get it changed? Good call. See ya.